Hello.
There he is. Good morning.
Hey, man, what's going on?
What's happening over in the over in the garden this morning there, Breaker?
Man, I gotta get into the CB lingo here. Nothing, just yapping it up, man. I ordered that power supply from China, man. It's $88 including shipping.
Hold on, what power supply?
The 50 volt, 3,000 watt power supply. It's the same one they built into my amplifier. That power supply, if you bought it new, is $800.
Well, what did you need it for? You didn't tell me about it.
Well, I don't need it, but I bought it as a spare. And it's brand new from China. And brand new, like through the company, is $800. This 3,000 watt, 50 volt power supply, $68 and $20 for shipping.
Oh, you got a deal, man. Yeah, you got a deal, man. Well, yeah, what the hell? It's good to have a spare. Now, don't a lot of guys use, like, I was reading a lot of guys use them HP Hewlett-Packard 50 volt supplies for those boxes.
Well, I got two of them. I got two of those things, but they're, first of all, they weigh 3 or 4 times as much, and they're like 5 times bigger, and they're noisy. You know, they have a loud fan, those Hewlett-Packard supplies, and you need 2 of them paralleled to get 3,000 watts. This one is only about a foot long, about 2 inches high, okay? Almost a silent fan, and you only need 1 of them.
Well, that's a no-brainer. Excuse me. Coffee went down the wrong pipe. Well, that's cool, man. Good deal. Yeah, I was up real late last night, man. I took a long nap after work yesterday, and ended up waking up at like 6 o'clock, and stayed up until about 2 in the morning, folding laundry, and I've got a whole bunch of antique Christmas decorations my mother gave me. I was putting them on the tree. And then I got candles for the front windows, you know, little light up candles, candlesticks for the front windows. Got those in. I had to got this little like plastic angel thing that lights up outside. I put that outside. I had to fix the cord and resolder the cord on it last night because it had a little bit loose connection. So I got a whole bunch of shit accomplished last night, man. All the while listening to WTWW in Nashville, man. All the classic Christmas music. That was cool, man. That was pretty neat, man. They play some good stuff. And I guess they have like a library of 15,000 Christmas songs, so they never play the same one twice.
All of those stations now subscribe to services like Spotify and all the rest. I mean, none of them have records or CDs. They just, you know, they just get it off of there like I get it, you know. But, yeah, this power supply is real little. I mean, anybody that's building a LD MOS amplifier, you know, this is I'll tell you, this is the best supply out there, and it's quiet. There's no hash in this supply, which you got to be really careful of some of them power supplies with noise in your radio. These things are, you know, they work like a champ. So, yeah. Anyway, I got 2 of those Hewlett-Packard ones. I bought them as spares for the other solid-state amp that I had, but that amp's gone. I'll probably never use those Hewlett-Packards. They're just sitting on a shelf. Yeah, so that's it. So when are they coming? Like you cleaning now? What are they like coming tomorrow?
Well, look, I'm lazy, man. I'm a lazy duck plugger. Takes me a while to do things. So I got everything situated for them. You know, just try to get everything situated for when they get here. Make sure everything's done. Because I got to put curtains up, get new curtains for upstairs. I don't have any in the bedrooms up there. So I got to get curtains for up there still. I wanted to make sure, all the decorating, all that stuff. But they'll be here not this week, but not this Tuesday, but next Tuesday. They're going to be here real soon. It's coming up real fast. So, thinking I asked for a couple days off. I asked for that Friday and Saturday off. I want to take them to the Flyers game on Thursday night, I think. Hopefully they'll give me off the next day. So I got to go into work the next day. It'll be a long night. It'll be a long day the next day, But yeah, no, man, it's good. I'm really, really, really looking forward to it, man. I'm like a kid on Christmas morning, no pun intended.
So they both staying with you?
Yeah, yep, both staying here. I had asked, I texted her after, she said she was going to come up, blah, blah, blah. I said, look, I don't know where you guys plan on staying, but I said, we're more than welcome, to stay here. I said, I got Wi-Fi and internet for him and, or TV for him and to keep you guys sane because I know my mother doesn't have that stuff and I don't want you guys paying for a hotel, for Christ's sake. And she said that's what she planned on doing anyway, was staying here. So, yeah, they're just going to stay here. I guess I'll sleep on the couch and they'll take the bedrooms or one of the bedrooms upstairs.
Okay, that's cool. That's good. Okay. Yeah, not too much going on. I was going to go to the hotel last night. They had a band up there. And the Traveling Woodburys. It's kind of a play on the Traveling Wilburys, which was a real band, but I didn't go. It was... I got held up on the phone talking to somebody and this and that, and I didn't feel like driving. You get nervous if you have a couple of drinks and on the road and stuff, so I figured the hell with it. So I just sat here, watched TV for a little while, and went to bed by early, I guess around 9 o'clock or so, and that was it.
Yeah, okay. I remember you sent me like an invite thing on Facebook. I saw that. Traveling Woodburys. Yeah, I caught that when I seen that. Yeah, there was I think Tom Petty was in that band. Roy Orbison, Bob Dylan, and a host of others was in that band as well. Yeah, they had a couple hits, I guess. Can't remember the one real popular one, but they play it on the radio every now and then. But one thing I did do this morning was move my, the temperature thing, the receiver, the transponder for my weather station, because I always noticed it seemed to be warmer because I had it over top of my front door, and it always seemed a couple degrees warmer than what my phone said it was in town. And I said, I wonder if there's heat escaping out the door. And I said, let me try it in a different spot and see if the temperature drops. I just moved it about, I don't know, probably an hour ago, 45 minutes ago, and the temperature's gone down 2 degrees already.
Yeah, all that stuff will affect it. You'd be surprised, just the wall of your house and stuff, because it absorbs some heat from the inside, especially if you don't have real good insulation, the sun, there's all kinds of different things and that can affect it. But, yeah, there's no cover charge up that hotel, so I was going to go up just to see a set, but then, I was winding down and figured that I'm not going to go there. They have Cheesesteak Monday, man. You wouldn't believe it. Like Wiener Wednesdays, so you get the loaded up hot dogs for like less than $2. And Cheesesteak Mondays, a good sized cheesesteak. It's about maybe close to 10 inches cheesesteak, $1.95.
Wow. You can't beat that with a stick. Good Lord. There was a bar I used to go to that had good deal of hot dogs like that. But it was just like, plain hot dog. You can, get the relish on there. It was like a Sunday morning lunch thing that they used to have at this bar, Gleason's, up in Levittown when I lived up there. I was living up there for a little while. The bar was like a block away from my house. We used to go up there all the time and go up there, and like Sunday mornings, go watch the NASCAR races up there like 1 o'clock and get up there nice and early. But That's a good. I got to get over there, man, and go to the hotel one night with you. Plan on one of these weekends, one of these Saturday nights or something.
Yeah, they got all kinds of different hot dogs. All beef hot dog, a cheese dog, a chili dog, a kraut dog, a New Yorker, a fire dog, which is spicy mayo and homemade hot pepper relish. That's $1.75. And then the Chicago dog, which has got everything on it for $2. But you go in there for happy hour, say for cheesesteak Monday, $1.95 for a cheesesteak, and 16 pints, draft pints, $2. I mean, you can get out of there with a tip and everything, and a good buzz and full of food for less than $10.
Yeah. Good morning, Scooby. Yeah, no, that is a yeah. That's a good deal, man. Yeah, trying to go to a bar anywhere nowadays and walk out of there without spending less than $10 is just about unheard of. Unless you go to the Liberty, then you got to deal with what the hell's going on? Hella. Hold up. All right, we're good. Then you got to deal with asshole bartenders, but that's a good deal, man. Shoot, you can almost live. You can literally live in that place. Live upstairs and come downstairs every night.
There's other people there coming in with you a little bit. Yeah, all right. Well, look, I'm going to go up and get some more coffee. So nothing much going on around here today. I'll probably just watch the Eagles game this afternoon and I got some house cleaning to do, stuff like that, and also that's about it. But I want to get some more coffee and get a bite to eat or something, get some oatmeal going or something. So I'll catch you later. Yes, the radio sounded good over here, man. It's a good copy on you over here this morning.
All right, cool. Yeah, everything should be sounding okay, and I've been recording the gate this whole time. I got some new stuff on here, some Christmas-themed stuff on the video, like a text scroller at the bottom now and a little thing in the left-hand corner, Merry Christmas, light-up neon sign type thing. You'll see it. It's pretty cool looking. I've been messing around with this program. You can do everything on this thing. So, all right, man. Have a good morning, man. We'll talk to you. I'll be down on the other one and around the radio all day. So take care, Pop. We'll see you.
Yeah, catch you later.